Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the elements of training cycle for safety. Okay. So as per the standard we have taken like OSHA standard and 6 and 7 chronological in a chronological order it has been explained and mentioned. So let us see elements of training cycle as per the OSHA Occupational Safety and Health Acts. Training guideline 7 chronological steps are suggested to complete a training cycle. These are the basic element of any safety training program which is shown in the cyclic order. उन्होंने एक ओशा स्टैंडर्ड में मैंने मेंशन किया है इन recently I have just told you. So they are the basic element for safety training. Without it, you cannot complete your training and you cannot acquire the knowledge properly. You cannot get it properly. Okay. So let us see. First, first one is a determining whether training is needed or startup of improved program from step. Okay. So first thing, determine if training is needed. It means what would be the first step? It means the first step is to determine a problem whether a problem can be solved by training. All skill deficiencies are not solvable through the training and some other tool may be required. So this step include need of any improved revised training program. Okay. And in second, what would be the second process for training? Identify training needs. What is the needs of training? So in this stage we can just take analyze the worker's duties and what he or she needs to perform the job more skillful and safely. Okay. In third stage we can just mention identify. We have mentioned identify goals and objective. We have to identify the goals and objective like a list of specific job knowledge and skill deficiency derived from the step 2. We can just take it and will tell step 2, as you are well aware about that. Step 2 will tell employee what workers should do better or stop doing. Okay. This one will tell you the second. It's a identify training needs. What is the needs of their safety? Okay. Fourth one, what would be the fourth one? Design and develop training program activities. It means after listing precise objective and goals, learning training activities must be identified and what and described. Types of training will be decided based on the training resources available to the employer. The kind of knowledge, you can say, just the kind of knowledge or skills to be learned and whether the learning should be oriented towards physical skill or mental attitudes. Okay. This one, fourth one is. And fifth one, conduct the training method and types. Fourth one, it tells, it means now the training program should be conducted by let us see, like providing overview of the material to be learned and relating each specific item of knowledge or skill to the worker's goal, interest or experience to be learned. Okay. And sixth one, evaluate program effectiveness. It says by knowing trainee's opinion like observation supervisor's observation. Okay. Workplace improvement, and hazard reduction and what perform performance improvement, like it should be checked whether the training has accomplished its goal. Okay. And next one is a seven one is a improve the program. Improve the program, it means based on the totally, it's a totally based on the feedback from the worker, supervisor, etc, and evaluation and observing the gap. As you know, eval- evaluation and observing the gap, the training program should be improved, revised as per the needs. Okay, and this cycle is a more helpful for every safety officer, and this OSHA standards tells, it means it's a basic need for every safety officer's training. Okay, so thank you everyone. How was my video? If you like it, so please comments on the comment box.